morning to everyone. May this morning brings you a delightful surprises. Oh, it's 8:30. Shweta, she did not arrive.
Hi Veena.
Hello.
How are you?
Hello Shweta, I'm fine. What about you Shweta?
I'm good Veena. I think so you are busy with some work.
Yes Shweta, me and my team members are on a project Shweta.
Oh, on which topic?
We have chosen a topic called sets Shweta.
Oh, sets which having curly braces is allows all types of data which does not allow duplicates, right?
Yes Shweta, I think so. You proved that you are a data science student. Yeah, set is a data type which is the combination of different data types Shweta. So it does not allow indexing and slicing. That's the reason we get the output in a random order Shweta.
Okay Veena, can I know your project in detail manner?
Yes Shweta, we are working on a subtopic called manipulations Shweta.
Okay, can I know?
Yes Shweta, you can sure, of course you can know. So here are my teammates. This is variable 2 and they are variable 1. So we are explaining in a detailed manner through an activity.
Okay Veena, thank you.
Add function. Add function is a function which adds an element to a set. Add function which is used to add a single element to an existing set. You know, according to max, I am used to add two numbers or more than two numbers. But in set, just we want to add a single element. Syntax for add is nothing but variable dot add.
Now here we are going to display the output of the add function by using the print statement, and the syntax for the add function is print of variable dot method. Here variable is 2, so print of variable dot method. Here method is nothing but add. So here we are adding blue bottle to the existing bottles. So we are closing with the closed bracket. So I'm going to run the output to get a final output. Run. Here we are seeing the set that the blue bottle is added to the existing set. So this is the manipulation of the red.
A variable 2. So variable 2 stores the bottles of different colors. Here variable 2 is a combination of different colors of water bottles. We are going to learn about add function. And add function which is used to add a single element to an existing set. You know about me according to max. In max I am used to add two integers or more than integers, but in set I am used as to add a single element to an existing set. Variable dot add.
So now I am going to display the add function by using the print statement. So print, and the syntax for the add function is print of variable 2. In variable 2 we saw different colors of water bottles. So now I am adding one more water bottle to the existing set. So print of variable dot method. Here method is add, and I am going to add the blue color bottle, and I am closing with the closed parenthesis. So I am going to run the program to get the output. Run. Yes, we can see that the blue color bottle is added to the existing list.
Variable 1. Variable 1 stores the different colors of VGR colors. So now we are going to learn about update method.
Hello everyone, I am update function. I am used to add multiple elements at a time to the existing set. There is a small difference between add function and update function is add function is used to only one element at a time. Me is used for multiple elements to add at a time to the existing set.
So okay, we are going to see the output for the update manipulation is that print of, to display the output we need print. So print of variable dot. Here our variable is variable 1. In variable 1 we saw that there are different WebGeo colors, right? So variable dot, here our method name is update with including I wanted to add these colors, the green, violet and also the orange. I am closing with the closed parenthesis. Now I am going to run this program to get the final output. Run. Yes, we can see that all the WebGeo colors are within us. They are added to the existing list. This is about the update manipulation.
Now we are going.
Hi, I am a remove function.
Let's see how I'm going to work. I'm used to a particular item from the set. If particular item is not present in the set, our output will be get key error.
Okay friends, now I'm going to say about remove function. We are going to display the output for this remove function by using the print statement. The print is always an important part in the program. So print of here the variable 1. We can see that in variable 1 there are Vibrio colors. So print of variable dot method. Here method is nothing but remove. And we are opening and closing with closed parenthesis. And we are using silver color to remove. Okay, let's run the program to get the final output. Run.
Creator. Silver is not present in variable 1.
Seen that there is no silver color in the Vibrio. So because of that, the program has shown that it is a key error. The element is not present in the existing list. This is about the remove manipulation.
To learn about discard function.
Hi, I'm a discard function. Discard is nothing but to remove the element. Discard method is used to discard the element from the set. You may get a doubt. What is the difference between remove and discard? In remove, we used to delete the element. In some case, we out of the set element we remove means it will get key error. But in discard, it will not get any key error. That's it.
So now we are going to display the output for this discard function. Let's see how the discard function will work. Okay. So for this function we need print statement. Along with that variable dot method. So in our variable 2 we have seen many water bottle colors, right? So print of variable dot discard. Our method is here discard and we are removing the silver color in that discard. Okay, let's see whether the silver color is found or not in the existing set. And we are closing this set with closed parenthesis. So I'm going to run the program. Run. Here we are going to display the output for the discard function. Okay, here I need the print statement. Along with that, the variable 2 in which we store different kinds of water bottle colors and variable dot discard function. And I'm using here silver color bottle to remove from the existing set and close it with a closed parenthesis. And let's run this program to get the final output. Run. Yes, we can see that the silver color is not found in the list, so found in the set, so it is not showing any kind of error.
Going to learn about intersection.
I am intersection method. I am used to find the common elements in the sets. Basically, intersection means finding the common elements or printing the common elements in the sets. Here also we use the intersection method for the same purpose. If there are common elements present in the sets, it will print and show the output. If there are no common elements in both the sets, then the output will be shown as the empty set. Now,
Okay, let's see the output for this intersection method. So for this intersection method, I am using the print statement. Here I am taking the variable 2 dot the intersection method. Print of variable dot method from 1. Here we are closing with the closed parenthesis. So the final is that the syntax is that print of variable 2 dot intersection of variable 1 close it with the closed parenthesis. So now I am running the program. So run. So after doing this intersection of variable 2 dot variable 1, the final output is here we got the variable We can see the output as variable 2 is equals to the set, because we had removed the variable 1 minus the variable 2 minus variable 1. So we are printing the variable 2. So the variable 2 is displayed. Thank you.
What's symmetric difference?
Hi, I am symmetric difference. Before telling about me, I would like to tell about difference. Difference, you will get all the elements except the common elements from only one set. Coming to me, you will get all the elements except the common elements from the both the sets.
Okay, let's see the output for this symmetric difference by calling the print and variable 2 dot symmetric difference. Our method is symmetric difference and the variable 1, and we are closing with a closed parenthesis. If let's see how this program will be run and what will be the output by using the run function. Run. Yes, here we can see that the common elements has been removed from the set, and we got the unique elements from both the sets. This is about the symmetric difference.
Okay, I have a question. What is the difference between intersection and symmetric difference? Or else normal difference with symmetric difference?
Intersection brings common element, but symmetric difference means other than those elements.
Union function.
Hi, I am union. I am used to combine the two or more set of elements together. By using me, you people see a magic, and it is very interesting. In other manipulation, they can use plus operator to concatenate the elements. But in this set manipulation, they are using me to combine the elements together.
Okay, finally let's see how this union function is going to work by calling the print statement. The print of variable 2 dot union. Here our method is union, so because of that variable 2 dot our method name is union of variable 1 and close it with a closed parenthesis. Here in this union we get a combination of all and the duplicates will be removed. It's nothing but if one element is having more than one time, then the element will be removed and the remaining all is going to display. So let's see how this program is going to work. Run. Yes friends, finally we got the output that is there any color same in this? No. So we can find that there are the unique colors in this set. So this is about the union function.
Last but not least, we are going to learn about clear function.
Hello everyone, I am clear function, and my specialty is to clear all the elements from the set.
Okay, let's see how this clear function is going to work in this program. Okay, I'm calling the clear function, I'm using the clear function by calling the print statement and the variable 2 dot clear. Here I'm clearing the elements which are in the variable 2 and closing with a closed parenthesis. So let's see the final output by running this program. Run. So nothing is there in, finally the output is set off because we are clearing each and every element from this set. So the final output we got is set off. Okay, this is about the clear function. Till now we had seen the set manipulations in every different set manipulations in different ways by using the color bottles and by using the different color dresses with your colors, which is very interesting, right? So let my friend going to give the conclusion of this set manipulation.
Okay, Deetvina, really I'm amazing to see this, and I learned a lot in my subject also, which are difference and symmetric difference and difference between add, update. I learned a lot, Veena. Thank you for presents me this, which is your topic. Thank you, Shweta.
Yeah, so it's really nice. Your activity is very, very good. And also, I have a question. Just work on this question. Instead of union, so okay, fine. Now, instead of difference, so what are the symbols which we can use in the difference? Okay, nice. So this is really, really nice. I think many people who are working on a programming can work on these examples. Thank you, everyone.